My name is Ivan P. Tulod. Welcome to my blog about the claim of fact, claim of fallacy, and claim of value. It's all about cleaning the house to sport claim of fact, claim of fallacy, and claim of value.